Ladies and gentlemen, today's been a crappy energy day, I think because you have Pluto, Venus, and the moon pretty much stacked up together in the final degrees of Capricorn. And Tuesday ain't going to be no energetic party either. And I've pretty much been either eating, sleeping, making videos, or gaining weight since the eclipse on the 4th happened. Hopefully I'll get an energetic burst soon. And hey, we've got 2 weeks till Venus retrograde, 23 days from Jupiter into Pisces, 6 weeks until the lunar node switch, and 2 months from the United States of America Pluto return. So things are probably definitely going to be very interesting until the spring. So buckle up, buddies. Tomorrow, President Biden has a Zoom meeting with Putin as tensions have ratcheted super duper high between Russia and the United States of America. And since they're both Christian, I'm hoping they can work something out and we can have a decent Christmas. But keep your fingers crossed. After getting super interesting, the crypto space has cooled down, but I still think now's a good time to get out and then just get back in the spring. You got Venus conjunct Pluto on the Friday, and then you've got the big third Uranus square Saturn on the 24th. So we are watching for a major natural disaster around Christmas Eve. And so I'm just looking for clues of what it might be as we lead up to. And one of the things that has gotten my attention is we're basically getting 4 earthquakes in this scene every single dang day. And like 2 days ago, we had 5 in here. And so we know that we were watching out for more earthquakes and volcano eruptions with almost all the planets on the exact same side of the sun, especially the gas giant. Now that Earth stopped going north, asterisk, and it started to go west, asterisk, we're looking for a magma shift. See if that happens. Oh man, I totally mistimed that. That is my bad. Okay, speaking of shifting things, here's a wind shift. They're playing I believe it's the Bills versus the Patriots game in Buffalo, where they're getting some winter weather and some strong winds. Check out that ball, and the wind is like, no, you don't. So you got storms moving to the south, towards the east, and up in the northeast, you've got some pretty dang nasty weather and some pretty strong winds for quite a few people. We are less than a day away from the Category 3 Eurocane hitting Ireland and parts of Europe and the United Kingdom. So be on the lookout for that. If you're in those areas, this thing is really going to wrap up and pack a punch. In the last storm, Arwen killed some people, so please pay attention, because this will probably be a stronger storm than that one. Remember, it's like it will make landfall technically in 18 hours. Yeah, this is a bad energy day. Nothing feels right, but here I am, showing up here with you. How are you doing today? All right. Boom. But yeah, here's a look at mixed precipitation over the next 48 hours. You got some precip coming into the Pac Northwest, and then you got some precip moving out of the East Coast. If I get to make a choice between being in a good mood and not being in a good mood, I'll take being in a good mood every single time. Hey, Southern California, you guys are about to start your rainy season, maybe. You got multiple storms moving through the USA over the next 2 weeks, and you can start to see it's monsoon season again, I guess. Getting some pretty strong storms leading up to Christmas, it would appear. But like watch here, or after the 10th, you'll start to see Southern California get some rain, and then Pacific Northwest get some more rain, and then Southern California get some more rain. And so that will definitely be interesting, and we will keep a lookout because Southern Cal has been very, very dry. We got 3 sunspots in the sun right now, and an alignment of planets. If you've been watching every night, you got Venus, Saturn, Jupiter lined up in the sky on the ecliptic, and I find that very fascinating. Tonight it's very cloudy, so I couldn't watch them. But the pictures of Venus over the moon were very impressive. We're looking at the possibility of major heat anomalies over the southeast United States, although you may be getting some colder Arctic air pushing in down from Alaska in the future if we're lucky. I mean, weather Twitter has gone out and called this a torch for the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. Brian Brettschneider. This is the largest area with 90% probability of above normal temperatures on any 8 to 14 day outlook since 2015. And so, yeah, we're definitely looking at a mild winter probably for most people over here, I would guess. Although, in January it could definitely cool down. Speaking of cold, Scott Duncan letting us know there's savage cold in Sweden right now. Sweden just observed its coldest December day in 35 years with an astonishing negative 43.8 degrees Celsius. Yeah, that'll freeze your niblets off and then have them fall into your snow, and then your dog would probably eat them. So that would be a very bad day. So if it is that cold, be sure and stay inside. Probably make some hot cocoa. Yeah, Earth is like a snow globe. The hot side is hot, and the cold side is cold. Give me a second here to defrost the video. Okay. Ain't nothing like a volcano party, because a volcano party don't stop, at least for a long time. The nearly 1,000 meter tall volcano in the South Sandwich Islands frequently finds a way to put on a show. As you know, the volcanoes are really go. Damn it, I tried to write 3 things, but then I totally messed it up. This is the Fuego Volcano in Guatemala. And this is brought to us by the Volcano Time-Lapse video channel on YouTube. Explosions damage crater rim. So, the volcano activity continues to increase. We had the Semeru volcano in Indonesia erupt and kill people to start out December. So I'm going to go out on a limb and say that's a bad sign. And so if December starting out with volcano eruptions that are very dangerous, then I got a feeling we may get one around Christmas, although it may just be a giant storm. Nobody knows what natural disaster we will get, but it's best for us to be prepared, in my opinion. Now, let's watch the second explosion that blows out the second chunk of the rim. And so, yeah, crazy shit happening. And then I'm watching that earthquake space in between the Baja, California, Mexico area. What a crazy world, man. And think, if you've been with me for a while, you get all my moods, because I pretty much do a video almost every day, although not every day. But, so you get me when I'm up, you get me when I'm down, and you get me when I'm somewhere in the middle. And hey, I appreciate you for that. Natural gas prices dropping like a stone. Yeah, I'll be on the night shift watching this storm grow. Storm Bara. It's going to be impressive. It's going to probably explosive cyclone genesis, bombogenesis out, man. Hawaii, Kula, Maui got rocked pretty hard by floods. And, if lucky, we got a big cool down coming to Texas. Dan Riley. Starting at 10 a.m. Note the big changes coming. Cooler, breezy conditions this afternoon for Houston and southeast Texas. We could sure use it. It's been way, way too hot here for December. And hey, futurism talking about making it rain. Apparently, scientists say they caught China successfully changing the weather. We can talk about that another time. I just thought I'd bring it up. All right, this is THORnews. Yo, I'm going to try and snap out of it. You do the same. Hey, I still have my December fundraiser going on, and it's kind of stuck at 11:48. If you would like to make a contribution, it would be super duper greatly appreciated. Because I love you guys, and I do my best to bring you guys excellent information you can use all the time. Although the information you can use is asterisk or whatever. I got a snail mail, PayPal, Venmo, CashApp, Patron. Nothing but love for y'all. Thank you, JJ. Thank you to the good. Thank you for everybody out there in Astro Fight Club. And I'll probably do a late night video. So stay cool. God bless everyone. And I'll talk to you in the near future. Bye.